Starting around the 2nd of June 2023, Ethereum by and large is exchanging at $1,863.08 in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.16% in every practical sense. Most recent 1 hour in a by and large huge manner. ETH in every practical sense has a genuinely complete market cap of $224,027,493,292 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,572,207,041. Really, as opposed to prevalent thinking. This truly makes Ethereum genuinely positioning at 2 in the digital currency market. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what for the most part is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023. What will Ethereum by and large be certainly worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Is Ethereum a truly wise venture or certainly worth purchasing in 2023 in a very large manner? Will ETH cost outperform its unsurpassed high in an unobtrusive manner? These essentially are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, which really is genuinely huge. Ethereum value expectation 2023 as per the Ethereum gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the ETH cost in a real sense is supposed to essentially cross a by and large normal value level of $2,299.55. The normal least value worth of Ethereum toward the finish of the very current year ought to be $2,224.73, which truly is very huge. Besides, ETH can in a real sense arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $2,567.71, showing how ETH in a real sense has a by and large complete market cap of $224,027,493,292 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,572,207,041. Ethereum value expectation June 2023. Concerning June 2023, Ethereum cost is estimated to arrive at a scarcely the most reduced cost of $1,795.63 in an unobtrusive manner. The ETH cost could explicitly arrive at an exceptionally most extreme cost of $2,020.08 with the truly normal expected cost around $1,963.97 in a genuinely large manner. Ethereum value forecast July 2023. The cost of Ethereum by and large is for the most part anticipated to explicitly reach at a fundamentally least worth of $1,967.71 in July 2023, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. The ETH cost could for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest worth of $2,118.28 with the very normal exchanging worth of $2,042.53 all through 2023, which in a real sense is very critical. Ethereum value expectation August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Ethereum cost certainly is conjectured to generally arrive at an especially the most reduced cost of $2,008.56 in an especially significant manner. The ETH cost could arrive at a truly greatest cost of $2,199.98 with the typical expected cost around $2,083.38, or so they generally thought. Ethereum value conjecture September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of Ethereum explicitly is in a real sense anticipated to explicitly arrive at a really normal cost of $2,145.88, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of $2,304.15 and a very least of $2,052.36, showing the way that the ETH cost could arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $2,118.28 with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $2,042.53 all through 2023, which for the most part is very critical. Ethereum value expectation October 2023. The cost for Ethereum in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $2,095.27 and $2,389.98, which is genuinely critical. While the especially normal exchanging cost ought to be around $2,188.80, or so they fundamentally thought. Ethereum value gauge November 2023. The normal cost of Ethereum could basically go to $2,254.46 toward the finish of November 2023, which generally is very critical. ETH could be exchanging around a sort of most extreme worth of $2,477.54 with the fundamentally least expected cost of $2,179.64, an exceptionally enormous manner. Ethereum value expectation December 2023. Ethereum cost in every practical sense is supposed to truly reach between $2,224.73 to $2,567.71 in December 2023, while the sort of typical cost of ETH for the December for the most part remains around $2,299.55. Ethereum past value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours. The crypto essentially has been especially diminished by 0.61% in its ongoing worth, which fundamentally is very huge. Assuming we for the most part think about the ongoing business sector cap of the ETH with yesterday, you can see that the market cap truly is likewise down. From kind of most recent 7 days, the ETH certainly was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 3.22% in every practical sense. Further appearance how assuming we truly think about the truly current market cap of the ETH with yesterday's, you can by and large see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ethereum really has shown most areas of strength for certainly potential of late. And this could be excellent chance to fundamentally dive right in and in every practical sense contribute. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of ETH diminished by 12.287%, disposing of an incredible certainly normal amount of $260.98 from its especially current worth, or so they fundamentally thought. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin really is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can be an especially decent purchase and open door for exceptionally fast speculation, which essentially is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change is around 14.05%, and the cost in every practical sense circled from a genuinely least truly normal cost of $1,579.46 to fundamentally most extreme essentially normal cost of $1,632.15 in the all things considered recent days in a very large way. In kind of most recent 4 months, Ethereum generally has shown a developing pattern. In this manner, we basically feel that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. As per the practically the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Ethereum in a real sense is expanded from 4 months in a by and large enormous manner. The exchanging volume comprises an imperative job in its cost, showing how while the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $2,188.80, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking, the coin generally is up by 32.87%, with the greatest typical cost of the coin fundamentally was around $1,232.63, and the base pretty typical cost of was around $1,202.88 and by and large beyond 4 months, showing how from kind of most recent 7 days the ETH especially was in kind of good vertical pattern and expanded by 3.22%. Genuinely further appearance how assuming we really analyze the ongoing business sector cap of the ETH with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap certainly is additionally down, or so they in a real sense thought. Ethereum value estimate 2023 FAQs. What will for the most part be Ethereum truly worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? The ETH cost in a real sense is gauged to generally